Here are some helpful tips for departing from Hong Kong International Airport to ensure you don't miss your flight. Arrive at the airport at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight. While Hong Kong International Airport boasts a smooth check-in and immigration process, remember that the airport is quite large, featuring a total of 530 gates. Check the terminal screen for your airline's designated check-in area. This will save you the hassle of wandering around looking for your check-in counter. All necessary information is available on the screen, so make sure you read it. For check-in, you have the option of self-check-in or counter check-in if you need further assistance. Keep your boarding pass, baggage claims tab, and passport easily available to avoid any delays when presenting them. After you complete the immigration screening, locate the terminal screen to find your gate number. Sometimes, this information may not get indicated on your boarding pass, so look for your gate number on the screen. Once your gate number appears, follow the directional sign to your gate area. Allow enough time to walk as you may need a transfer via train. The airport is quite big, so ensure you arrive at your gate on time. Always pay attention to the boarding announcements and be prepared for any possible gate changes. And lastly, enjoy your flight. Don't forget to capture photos and document your travel experience. And happy flying!